We all love a good bargain, especially when it comes to tasty food. There's something universally appealing about getting more for less, and when that more involves mouth-watering meals, it's a win-win situation. Imagine the joy of biting into a delicious burger or savoring a crispy chicken sandwich, all while knowing you got an amazing deal. There's something deeply satisfying about getting more bang for your buck, and that's where Wendy's swoops in with their incredible 2 for $7 deal. This isn't just any deal, it's a chance to enjoy premium fast food without feeling the pinch in your wallet. Whether you're a student on a budget, a parent feeding a family, or just someone who loves a good deal, Wendy's has crafted this offer with you in mind. Fast food doesn't have to mean breaking the bank, and Wendy's proves it. With this deal, you can mix and match your favorites, creating a meal that's perfect for your taste buds and your budget. Imagine the possibilities: a juicy burger paired with a crispy chicken sandwich, or perhaps 2 of your favorite burgers. The choice is yours and the savings are real. Get ready to unleash your inner foodie and discover how to make the most of this awesome offer. It's not just about the food, it's about the experience. Picture yourself sharing a meal with friends, each of you enjoying your favorite items, all while knowing you got an incredible deal. It's moments like these that make life delicious. Let's be honest, sometimes you just crave that juicy burger or crispy chicken sandwich, and when those cravings hit, you want to satisfy them without hesitation. Wendy's understands this, and that's why they've made it easier than ever to indulge in your favorites without the guilt of overspending. But who wants to sacrifice their hard-earned cash for a quick bite? With Wendy's 2 for $7 deal, you don't have to. You can enjoy high-quality, delicious food without feeling like you're emptying your wallet. It's a smart choice for anyone who loves great food and great value. Fear not, my fellow food lovers, because Wendy's has our backs. This deal is designed to bring joy to your taste buds and relief to your budget. It's a testament to Wendy's commitment to providing delicious, affordable meals for everyone. This deal is all about giving you the freedom to indulge without the guilt. You can enjoy your favorite meals, share them with friends, and still have money left over for other things you love. It's a celebration of good food, good company, and great savings. Get ready for a wild ride through the land of deliciousness and savings. Wendy's 2 for $7 deal is more than just a promotion. It's an invitation to enjoy life's simple pleasures without compromise. So gather your friends, head to Wendy's, and treat yourselves to a meal that's as satisfying as it is affordable. Because at Wendy's, every bite is a reminder that great food and great deals go hand in hand. So, what exactly is this magical deal, you ask? Well, let me break it down for you. Wendy's 2 for $7 is simplicity at its finest. It's a deal that brings together value and taste in a way that's hard to beat. Choose any 2 mouth-watering items from a select menu, and boom, you've got yourself a feast for a steal. Imagine walking into Wendy's, seeing all those delicious options, and knowing you can pick any 2 for just $7. We're talking iconic Dave's singles, crispy chicken sandwiches, and more. These aren't just any sandwiches, they're crafted with care and packed with flavor. And let's not forget the spicy kick of a junior. Spicy chicken sandwich. It's got just the right amount of heat to keep things interesting. Mix and match to your heart's content. Whether you're in the mood for something classic or something with a bit of a kick, Wendy's has got you covered. Feeling adventurous? Grab a Dave's single and pair it with a crispy chicken sandwich for the ultimate flavor explosion. The combination of juicy beef and crispy chicken is a match made in heaven. Or maybe you're craving a fiery fiesta, go for 2 junior. Spicy chicken sandwiches and let the heat take over. It's a bold choice for those who love a little spice in their life. The power is in your hands, my friend. You get to decide what combination of flavors will satisfy your hunger and delight your taste buds. This is your chance to create the perfect meal tailored to your unique cravings. Whether you're dining solo or sharing with a friend, Wendy's 2 for $7 deal is the perfect way to enjoy a delicious, affordable meal. And don't forget to add some sides. Pair your sandwiches with Wendy's famous fries or a refreshing drink to complete your meal. Wendy's, it's not just about the food, it's about the experience. Friendly service, a welcoming atmosphere, and of course, great food. So next time you're hungry and looking for a great deal, remember Wendy's 2 for $7. It's a deal that's hard to beat and a meal you'll love. Head to your nearest Wendy's today and take advantage of this amazing offer. Your taste buds will thank you. Now, let's talk value. In a world where prices seem to be skyrocketing, Wendy's is throwing us a lifeline. It's no secret that the cost of living is increasing, and finding ways to save money without compromising on quality is becoming more important than ever. With the 2 for $7 deal, you're getting 2 satisfying meals for a price that won't make you wince. Imagine enjoying a delicious burger and fries without feeling guilty about your budget. It's a win-win situation for your taste buds and your wallet, that's right. No more sacrificing your daily coffee for a decent lunch. You can have both and still have money left over. Picture this: starting your day with your favorite coffee and then treating yourself to a hearty lunch at Wendy's. It's the perfect balance of indulgence and practicality. Think of all the things you could do with the extra cash you'll save. Whether it's a small amount or a significant sum, every bit counts. Saving money on meals means you can allocate those funds to other areas of your life that bring you joy and satisfaction. Treat yourself to a movie night, complete with all your favorite snacks. Imagine the comfort of watching a great film at home, knowing you didn't have to break the bank to enjoy a good meal beforehand. Buy that book you've been eyeing and dive into a new adventure or learn something new. Books can be a great escape or a source of knowledge, and now you can afford to add a new one to your collection. Or even start a small savings fund. Okay, maybe not. But seriously, every little bit saved can add up over time. It's about making smart choices that benefit you in the long run. The point is, this deal isn't just about delicious food. It's about smart spending and making your money work harder. Wendy's understands the importance of value, and with this deal, they're helping you stretch your dollar further. So, next time you're hungry and looking for a great meal at a great price, remember Wendy's 2 for $7 deal. It's a small change that can make a big difference in your daily life. One of the best things about Wendy's is their commitment to customization. Don't like tomatoes? No problem. Extra pickles? You got it. With Wendy's, you're not just getting a meal, you're getting an experience tailored to your taste buds. Want to add a little heat to your Dave single? Ask for a side of jalapenos and let the sparks fly. Feeling adventurous? Try dipping your chicken sandwich in their signature Frosty. Trust me, it's a game changer. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination and maybe the ingredients on hand. Section 5, Fun Facts, a Wendy's Adventure. Did you know that Wendy's was founded by Dave Thomas in 1969? That's right, this iconic fast food chain has been serving up deliciousness for over 50 years. And here's another fun fact. The first ever Wendy's restaurant was located in Columbus, Ohio. But wait, there's more. The Frosty, Wendy's iconic frozen treat, was actually inspired by Dave Thomas's childhood memories of drinking chocolate malts. Talk about a sweet inspiration. So next time you're enjoying your Wendy's meal, take a moment to appreciate the history and passion behind every bite. Section 6, Beyond the 2 for $7. Other great deals. While the 2 for $7 deal is a real showstopper, Wendy's doesn't stop there. They're always cooking up new and exciting offers to keep your taste buds tantalized and your wallet happy. Keep an eye out for their rotating specials like the 4 for $4 deal, which offers incredible value for money. And don't forget about their value menu. From crispy chicken nuggets to cheesy quesadillas, Wendy's value menu is a treasure trove of affordable treats. So whether you're craving a quick snack or a full-blown feast, Wendy's has got you covered. Section 7. The power of sharing, spreading the Wendy's love. Food tastes better when shared, right? The 2 for $7 deal is the perfect opportunity to grab a friend, co-worker or loved one and enjoy a delicious meal together. Split the cost, double the fun. Imagine this. You and your best mate catching up over juicy burgers and crispy fries. Or maybe it's a romantic date night with your significant other, enjoying a spicy feast for two. Whatever the occasion, Wendy's provides the perfect backdrop for creating memorable moments. Section 8. A sweet surprise, the Frosty Factor. No, Wendy's experience is complete without a Frosty. Am I right? This iconic frozen treat is the perfect way to cool down and satisfy your sweet tooth. And the best part? You can often score a Frosty at a discounted price when you order it as part of a combo meal. But here's a little secret. Try dipping your fries in your Frosty. This unexpected combination is a match made in fast food heaven. The salty crunch of the fries perfectly complements the sweet, creamy goodness of the Frosty. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Section 9. Until next time, happy eating. So there you have it, my fellow food enthusiasts. The Wendy's 2 for $7 deal is your ticket to deliciousness and savings. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to treat yourself without breaking the bank. Remember, life is too short for boring food and empty wallets. Now go forth and conquer those cravings.